Hello everyone. I welcome you all to this online training session. As yesterday I have given some assignment to the students and I asked them to present their audios. I asked them to produce their audio files with some particular contents which I share with them, and many students have shared their audio files with me. So today I'm going to play those audio files online so that everybody will listen to them, and I really appreciate the efforts taken by these students, those who made very beautiful audios, and through these audios they have given very good messages to the masses. So let's listen to the audios of these students. So here we will listen the audios of all the students one by one.
Hi friends, my name is Tejas Ramchandra Pradhan. I am studying in PS College of Engineering, Aurangabad. My branch is Electrical Engineering. I am 19 years old. There are 4 members in my family, my brother, my father, mother, and I am. My hobbies are gymming, reading books. My goal is become successful engineer in my life. Now I am going to tell you that how to take precautions to fight against coronavirus. Now there is no any vaccine medicine developed by any country. It is directly attack on respiratory system. So only one way to stop this coronavirus is stay home, keep social distancing. Wash your hands frequently by alcohol-based sanitizer because it spread mostly by shaking hands. Maintain at least 1 meter distance between yourself and anyone who is coughing and sneezing. Avoid touching eyes, nose and mouth because hands touches many surfaces and pick up viruses. Once contaminated hands can transfer virus to your eyes, nose, mouth. From there, the virus can enter your body and can make you sick. Practice respiratory hygiene. If you have fever, cough and difficulty in breathing, seek your medical care early. During college school time, everyone wants to holiday. Now we get lot of more holidays and everyone getting bored at home. So everyone facing a main problem how to spend a valid time during this lockdown. First, you can cover your whole syllabus and you can develop your skills, also your communication skill, soft skill like this. You can spend time with your family member. You can help your mom in their work. You can join online courses. If you like singing, dancing, now it is better time to improve your skills. You can improve your physical health. Also, you can do yoga, exercise, much more activities. It is time to cultivate your hobbies like cooking, singing, dancing. You can take help from Facebook, YouTube, like this. You can attend online lectures also. You can find out your strength and weakness and improve your strength and overcome your weakness. It will much more helpful in your future also. You can watch your favorite movies also during this lockdown. Please don't waste your time. Very soon we will won the fight against coronavirus. Thank you. Take care of you and your family. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.
Thank you so much. Next, now we have next student with audio file.
Hello everyone. It's my pleasure to introduce myself. Well, I am Gunjan Satpute, born and raised in Aurangabad. I have done my schooling in Holy Cross English High School, and then I did my plus 12 from Devgiri Junior College, and now I am pursuing my first year from PES College of Engineering, Aurangabad. Here I am to tell you about some activities, that is some precautions to fight against coronavirus. This will help in at least decrease of this virus. As to stay home, maintain social distance, regular hand wash, cover your mouth during cough and sneeze, etc. The awareness about COVID-19 initiated in the closest among the society have been taken by the tools like telephonic dialogues and social media. Talking about how to spend the time during this lockdown period, it is also essential to guide the people time to time about their mental refreshment, as to learn new languages, spend some time playing indoor games, etc. This will help to spend the time much more better. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Swapnil Gadekar. I belong to Mazalgaon itself. In my family, apart from my parents and grandmother, I have an elder sister and younger brother. I am pursuing BTech in Computer Science. I have passed 12th exam from Sri Sudeshwar Mahavidyalaya Mazalgaon. How to take precautions to fight against coronavirus? Firstly, clean your hand. Often use soap and water or an alcohol-based hand rub. Second, maintain a safe distance from anyone who is coughing or sneezing. Third, don't touch your eyes, nose or mouth. Fourth, cover your nose and mouth with your belt, elbow or a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Stay home if you feel unwell. If you have a fever, a cough and difficulty breathing, seek medical attention. Call in advance. Follow the direction of your local health authority. How to spend time during lockdown period? Spend quality time with family. When you are presented with the opportunity to stay at home 24/7, you can make it enjoyable with family members around you. Try to involve yourself as much as you can with family discussion. Focus on spreading, crafting and making the same in return. If you used to spend a significant part of your time in office, it is a perfect change to make it up with family. Include your effort in making dishes in home. If you are not the regular cook in your house, it is a great time to be a part of it. It takes some profound effort to make food every day. Still, it is entertaining if all family members work together to cook meals. You can share your knowledge of cooking and any specific recipe if you know. Conduct family prayers. During this frightening crisis, it is essential to spend some time worshipping and praying to God in the evening. Gather all family members and pray together to God Almighty. A few minutes of prayers and holy contemplation can kill your day along stress and convey peace to everyone's mind. Learn new career skill. In present times, digital marketing is one of the hottest industry with high growth potentials. You can learn digital marketing course from comfort of your home. Learn the program to grow your skills and implement them in your new job. If you are business owner, learn these new skills to implement in your business. Yoga and exercise. In the course of this lockdown, try to keep yourself as much as fit possible. Do an hour of exercise and yoga every day in the morning. It will improve your immunity and make your body less susceptible to the coronavirus. It will be much better if all family members perform yoga and exercise simultaneously. Read books, good books and novels. Reading books is a habit of highest standard. It expand your intellectual ability and multiplies your wisdom. The more you read, the more your perception get clearer, and the more you gain knowledge. You can select storytelling books, novels, science fiction novels, or any other genres of your choice. Reading books for some hour every day is an ideal mental exercise. Learn new techniques from YouTube. The internet is one of the coolest thing you can take advantage of during the current situation. If you have a good internet connection, YouTube is a great platform to spend time while learning new skill and technique. You can get ideas about a variety of food recipe by watching videos on YouTube. Many other essential and entertaining technique can be learned from online video streaming platforms like YouTube. Listen to music and practice dance. Harmonious music is one element to ease a pressure mind. When you get extra time, invest it entertaining yourself. Make your own playlist of favorite songs and keep rolling them one by one. Hearing music will lead your mind to forget the trace of your real world for some time. An addition of dance with music can deliver additional entertainment. Play indoor games. It's a great way to get entertained during the quarantine days by playing games like chess, ludo, card game, carom, etc. Make family members your team partners and opponent and accumulate some unforgettable moment. By playing games, you will get a consume some quality time with your family members and create enchanted scenery. These games are quite exciting and positively influence the mind. Watch movie and TV shows. Movies are among the topmost constituents that amuse humans when they get bored. Watch new movie with family and experience something new. Movies are moral booster and work as knowledge gaining ingredient. TV channels are broadcasting a wide range of shows that you can enjoy every day. Additionally, keep update of latest news and continuously refresh the coronavirus information. Use your time in lockdown wisely instead of stress and anxiety. Utilize this time to improve your skill and stay positive. As Napoleon Hill said, every adversity brings with it a seed of equal of greater opportunity. When you think positive, you can get many new opportunities in life under any circumstance. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye friends.
Good evening, sir. My name is Sanjana Parkhe and I am studying in first year in PES College of Aurangabad. I would like to speak a few words on how to prevent corona. To prevent the spread of corona, first, clean your hands often. Use soap and water for 20 seconds or use an alcohol-based hand rub. Second, maintain a safe distance from anyone who is coughing or sneezing. Third, don't touch your eyes, nose or mouth. Fourth, cover your nose and mouth with your bent elbow or a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Fifth, if you have fever or cough or difficulty in breathing, call medical help. And sixth, follow the direction of your local health authority. And these are some measures to prevent corona you can do at home. Now, I would like to speak on how we can spend our time during lockdown. During lockdown, we can do lot of things at home without getting bored. First, we can do yoga and exercises to keep ourselves fit and healthy. Second, we can do cooking and learn new things while cooking. Third, we can do drawing if you like, because I like very much drawing. And fourth, you can sing songs as much as you want. Fifth, I would love to do dance. If you like, you can also do dance. Sixth, I love to read books, so you can also read books. There are many books to read. You can read day and night, that much books we have to read. Sixth, if you love plants, you can plant trees. Seventh, you can watch good movies, good shows. Eighth, you can play indoor games like chess, housey, carom, ludo with your family, and much more. These are some measures that we can take at home to not get bored during lockdown. Thank you.
Thank you, Sanjana.
Stay
Thank you so
home,
much.
stay safe.
Hi, my name is Nikita Anand Paikra. I would like to describe myself. I have done my schooling in Savitribai Phule Kanya Vidyalaya with 79%. Then I did my 12th from Lynn College of Science with 70%. Now I am pursuing in BE first year in Pierce College of Engineering. It was always a great time of dream. Family is a typical Indian family. My father is works electrician in a private enterprises. Mother is housewife. I have good relationship in my brother, sister and family. I am creative ambitious young woman because I have lot of ideas about my futures. I am interested in all kinds of sports. For this reason, I want to go to technical college which offers the branch sports, culture and event management. In lockdown, how to take precaution to fight agent, to prevent the spread of COVID-19, your hand often, soap and water, avoid an alcohol-based hand rub, maintain a safe distance from anyone who is coughing or sneezing, don't touch your eyes, nose or mouth, cover your nose and mouth with your bent elbow or a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Stay home if you feel if you have a fever, cough and difficult breathing, seek medical attention, call in advance. Follow the direction of your local health authority. Avoiding unneeded visits to medical facility allows healthcare system to operate more effectively, therefore protecting you and others. How do it spread? There is currently no vaccine to prevent coronavirus disease COVID-19. The best way to prevent illness is to avoid being exposed to this virus. This is through spread mainly from person to person between people who are in close contact with one another without about 6 feet. Respiratory droplets produced when an infected person coughs and sneezes or talks. These droplets can land in the mouth or nose. People who are nearby possibly be handled into the lungs. Recent studies have suggested that COVID-19 may be spread by people who are not showing symptoms. One should wash your hand often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, especially after you have been in a public place or after blowing your nose, coughing and sneezing. Soap and water are not readily available. Hand sanitizer that contain at 60% alcohol cover all the surface of your hand and rub them together until they feel dry. Touching your eyes, nose and mouth with unwashed hands. Avoid close contact with people who are sick. Stay home as much as possible. Put distance between yourself and other people. Remember that some people without them may be able to spread virus. Keeping distance from others is especially important for people who are at higher risk of getting very sick. Cover your mouth and nose with a closed face cover when around others. You could spread COVID-19 to others even if you had to not feel sick. Everyone should wear cloth face cover when they have to go in public, for example to the grocery store, pick up other necessary. Cloth face covering should not be placed on young children under age 2. Anyone who has trouble breathing or is unconvenient in capacitance or otherwise unable to remove the mask without assistance. Cloth face cover is made to protect other people in case you are infected. Do not use two face masks meant for a healthcare worker. Continue to keep up a 6 feet between to yourselves and other. Cloth face cover is not substitute for social distancing or coughs and sneeze. If you have in private setting and do not have and your cloth face covering, remember to always cover your mouth and nose with your tissue when you have coughs or sneeze, or use the inside of your elbow to use tissue in trash. Immediately wash your hand with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. If soap and water are not available, clean your hand with sanitizer that contain at least 60% alcohol. Regular hand washing is one of the best way to remove germs, avoiding getting sick and the prevent spread of germs to others. Whether you are not at home, at work, traveling or out the community, find out how hand washing with soap and water can protect you and your family. Lockdown period. How to spend time during lockdown period. Live your long lost hobbies and make the best use of the lockdown period. If you used to like music, painting, cooking, gardening, etc., it's the best time to restore your long lost hobby and get the feeling of productivity during the lockdown. A new online cook up a straw in the kitchen, the homemaker, learning fun build report, pen it down, master new makeup looks, go down the memory line, bring out your art supplies, the time reading, watch short films, water the home, church is the key, plan for yourself and good family time, a good sleep. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is Muhammad Asharuddin. I am presently pursuing my education from PES College of Engineering, Aurangabad. I am in the first year and my branch is Computer Science and Engineering. Today I am going to say something about a very crucial topic because of which the whole world is facing problem, because of which we cannot go out of our homes, and that is COVID-19. As you know, this disease came into existence in China, and unfortunately, today, whole world is facing the problem of this disease. In our country too, the disease have its own effects. Now the question arises, what should we do to fight against this disease? As it is said that prevention is better than cure, so being a science student, not just being a science student, first of all, as a human, it's our moral duty to follow some preventive measures to protect ourselves, our families, and to protect each human living on this earth. So what are the measures? Let's have a look on them and follow them step by step. First most important measure is to be at our homes, because as we know this disease spread through mere touch, so avoid public discussions, public gatherings and social discussions. We humans, especially youth, think that our immune system can fight this disease, but friends, think about our family, think about our parents. Their immune system is weaker, and indirectly and unknowingly we are just giving invitation to the disease to knock our doors. Second most important thing is, when we come from outside to our homes, we should first wash our hands with hand wash, sanitizers, and it's not mandatory. If you are not having hand wash or sanitizers, just use the soap, but wash your hand thoroughly. Third most important thing is maintain some distance with other individuals. Avoid shaking of hands, rather have gestures from a distance. Now, one more thing which people are saying, that we are fed up of being at our homes. I just want to say, at least we are blessed, we have homes. There are many people who don't even have homes. Just we should think that how they are surviving. For this, we should see whether our neighbor is having the basic needs or not. We should see in our neighbors, if they are not having basic needs, we can provide them, so that they can have some food and dishes to eat at their homes. So think of this. Now about the thing that what we should do in this lockdown period. First of all, we never get a time to invest on ourselves. So we are getting a golden opportunity to make this time a productive time for ourselves. I'll not say that just we should have a focus on our curricular activities. Rather, we can have a chance to our passion too. It's a golden time to give. It's a golden chance to give our passion a wings. For example, if you like singing or dancing, you can practice it at your homes. If you like to make some YouTube videos, you can have your own YouTube channel. And also, each and everyone knows about their weaknesses. So we can work on our weaknesses in this period rather just being sleeping, eating and having a drastic schedule. So as we know, there are many online programs and platforms through which we can learn lot many things. As we are engineering students, not only engineering students, all students can have their courses, online courses on YouTube's or some channels, so we can pursue from them and have a bright future too. At last, just want to say that just not we waste our times just being at home essentially wasting it. Let's make a productive use of this time. Let's be with our family. We don't get a lot of time to be with our families. Let's help our parents. Let's we help our mothers in pursuing works which she do alone at our homes. Let's bring a smile on our parents' face and be happy. So at last, just be safe, guys, and be happy at your homes. Inshallah, this time will go, and we'll see a bright mornings coming in forth. Thank you.
Hi friends, my name is Tejas Ramchandra Pradhan. I am studying in PS College of Engineering, Aurangabad. My branch is Electrical Engineering. I am 19-year-old. There are 4 members.
So
Hi
here
friends,
we have
my name is Tejas
we have
Ramchandra
one
Pradhan.
more. So most of the learners are from PS Engineering College. Now we have one more learner from Jalna, and he also shared his assignment. So let's listen to him what he has sent. So one more we have from Jalna, Mr. Sartaj. So let's listen to his assignment what he has sent to us.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, I am Sayyid Sartaj from Jalna, Maharashtra. I am a karate gymnastic teacher at Poda International School, Jalna. I have done black belt in karate and I am also a state referee of MKA, Maharashtra Karate Association, and belong from AIKF, All India Karate Federation. And I am here to talk about coronavirus disease COVID-19. And we should know about it. It is very serious issue of nowadays. Don't take it easy. You need to care for your family in this difficult time till the lockdown period is finished. So don't go out unnecessary until any emergency will come. When you will be going out from your home, you have to wear mask on your face and you should maintain a distance from others. When you come back your home, when you come back to your home, you should clean your hand through sanitizer or any other soap. And if you have any illness, then you need to take precautions from a doctor immediately and take care of yourself and your family. And I know you guys are feeling bored and some people are mentally harassed in this lockdown period. I request you all, please don't waste your time. It's a big opportunity we have got. You can improve yourself in this lockdown period. You can learn many things, like if your English speaking is not good, then you should improve your English language. If you are fatty, then you should exercise for 1 hour daily. Make a habit for reading a books. Prepare yourself for future. And I think you need to know about your Indian history. You need to know about our Indian history and our religious history. Read about Islam and gain your knowledge about Islam. And you should also learn about how to control your emotions and how to manage your anger, how to talk in parties, events, how to be a good person. And when you are seeking about these thinks it means you are taking advantages of the lockdown, and in the end you will be feeling happy and you will say my lockdown period was very good and I have taken its all advantages, and you will take you and you will thank yourself. So please don't go out, keep learning, keep improving and make yourself perfect. Thank you. Goodbye.
So these are the learners, those who have been learning English language online for last many days, and they have implemented also whatever they have learnt, they have implemented, and today we saw this in their performances. They were very good in their English speaking. They have applied all the rules and regulations what I have taught them, and their pronunciation was good. They applied the use of different sounds, the tenses, modals, and everything was really very good. And I'm really very happy to see the performance of these students, those who have been learning English language, and today they have performed very well, where they have discussed about the coronavirus and what to do during this lockdown period. They requested the people to don't go out and to take great measures to stop this coronavirus. And again they talk about different ideas of spending time during this lockdown period. So I'm really delighted to listen your performances. Again I'll give you some more tips to improve your English language. So for today's session we'll stop here. So the session was all about the performance of the learners, those who have been learning English language for many days. So it was their assignments they have submitted, they spoke very well, they have presented their presentations. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining this. Stay at home, stay safe, keep learning. See you again.